I see it. It's deep enough. I can make it. Time to make a stand. This is the spot. Okay, there, hard packed. This will work. Shovel, lock, check. Time to dig. No time to waste. Almost there. Keep digging. Stay focused, Vivek. Just a few more feet. All right, time to make sure the ceiling holds. Got to carve this bench just right. Keep the cold off the ground. Almost got it. Just got to pull this through. Heavy. Okay, it's inside now. Finally. That's better. I need to gather insulation before it's too late. Hurry, the ground's sucking up all your heat. All right, this should make it a bit more livable. Good call, Vivek. It's getting cold out here. All right, that should do it. Warm and safe, just in time. Come on, gotta get this. Not this time, one more. Got it. Staying warm is the most important thing out here. Got to make sure the fire starter is dry. I found it. Clear and flowing.
The storm was peaking. Vivek knew he had to reach the cave before the fire was lost completely.
Almost there. That's better. Okay, time to warm up.
जाएगे पर से हम सॉलिड इलेक्ट्रिक फाटने आते से मैं मल्टी डे यार आप हर मेरी सो फाले वो ठीक रास्ता तन्ने सी
The storm has buried the exit. I need to move quickly. I have to reach that fishing hole. I can't wait any longer. There it is, just like I left it. The branch is frozen solid and I need to free the line. Pull, keep going, keep going. Almost there. Yes. The perfect catch, ready for the fire. These mountains provide the best trout. I told you I'd catch a big one. Woo! Finally, I can warm up and get some food. Yes, just like that. You survived the storm. Live. Time to pack up. Leave no trace. Gently knocking it down. Mother Earth should not know I was here. North. Follow the ridge line. It's a long way back. I can see it now. Just a little further.
Goodbye, old friend. I'll remember the lessons you taught me.